Arranging positive integers in descending order. Arrange the following integers in descending order. We have these numbers for A to arrange from the largest to the smallest. Let's do that. Solution. For the A part, you have to identify first the number with the biggest value. And remember, to do this, we do that by the number of digits present in the number. This is a 3-digit number as well as this. This is also a 3-digit number. But this is a 4-digit number. Others remain 3, then this is also a 4-digit number. So the highest number in this case will be one of these two, that is a 4-digit number. And if we compare them, they both start with the same digit, 1 and 1. So what we do is to look at the next digit that follow. In this case, 0 and also 0. Still the same. Then we go to the next, another 0 for 0. So the one that tells us which is largest of these two will be the final digit. Here we have 0 and here we have 1. And 1 is greater than 0. So the biggest number in this set of number is 1001. And followed by the number 1000. Now we will consider the 3-digit numbers that we have here. We have 302, 169, 484, 196, 572, and 824. Let me quickly tick out the ones we have organized. Now, for the 3-digit number, we count down from 9 to see which one is highest. So, the number 9 should be the highest, but of all the numbers we have here, we do not have a 9 at the 100 place value. So, after 9, when we count down, we have the number 8. This is 8, 5, 1, 4, 1, 3. That means 824 is bigger than the rest. So, we write that down. 824. And after 8, we have 7, followed by 6, followed by 5. 5, 7, 2. And after 5, we have 4. 4, 8, 4. And after 4, we have 3. 3, 0, 2. And after 3, we have 2, then 1. We have 2 of them here. So just like we did in the first case, we consider the next digit after 1. So after 1, here we have 9, and here we have 6. And 9 is greater than 6. That tells us that 196 comes before 169. And there we have arranged the first set of numbers in descending order, from the largest to the smallest. Now let's do B. For the numbers we have here, we also identify the biggest by the numbers of digits. This has 5 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits, 3 digits, and 4 digits. So which one should be the highest one? The ones with 5 digits. So let's consider the numbers with 5 digits. We first check for the first number in the 5 digits numbers. Here we have 10,002. Here we have 25,000. So when we consider this number, which lies in the tens of thousands place value, you agree with me that the number 2 is bigger than the number 1. So that is, in this set of numbers, our largest number would be 25,000. Let's put that down. The next 5-digit number we are considering is this. So after 25,000, we should have 10,002. Now let's consider the next set of numbers and identify the one that is of the highest value. This is a 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4 digits, 4 digits, and 4 digits. So we count down from 9 to identify the ones that are large. So 9, that is 9,050. After 9 we have 8, then 7. So 7,002. Then we have 6. Yes, the number 6,000. After 6 we have 5, which does not exist here. Then we have 4, then 3, then 2. 2, 4, 8, 6, then 1. 1, 2, 8, 1. Leaving just one more number to look at, which will be our smallest number in this set of numbers. The number 215. So that is our largest number in this set is 25,000 and the smallest number is 215. This is how we arrange numbers, positive integers, from largest to smallest, or we just say in descending order. Thank you.